As always, safety is our top priority. We recommend that our customers review the safety manual prior to use of our products. Also follow it and user manual as well. Pre-installation inspection of pipeline to check for foreign substances such as oil, grass, moss, etc., which may damage the plug or decrease the friction force and cause the sliding. Label on the pipe plug contains some technical information such as size range, maximum allowable inflation pressure, and back pressure. Inspect the pipe plug to check for damages or cracks before and after each use. Control device is attached to the compressor and check. Connection of pressure control device is made to monitor, regulate, and gauge pressure within the pipeline plug. Air hose is attached to the control device. The chain or cable should be attached to hooks on the pipe plug to support, brace pressure under the back pressure, and pull out the plug. And also, some models have one eye bolt and some of them have two eye bolts. Air hose is attached to the plug and be sure that's secure with connection. Pipe plug is inserted completely into the pipeline. Before inflation, position it correctly in there. The shortest allowable distance from beginning if the pipeline to the plug is equal to the pipeline diameter. Please note, do not inflate pipe plug prior to insertion and outside of the pipe. After insertion, open the safety valve to inflate the plug. The pipe plug must be parallel to the center line of the pipeline. Do not enter the danger zone while plug is inflated. And also do not exceed maximum allowable inflation pressure. We should say something like that may cause property damage or death. After completing the leakage test, release the back pressure and deflate the pipe plug prior to pipe plug removal. Do not use the air hose as a chain to pull out of the pipe plug. After using the pipe plug, clean and inspect the pipe plug for damage or cracks. Store pipe plug in a cool, dry space away from direct sunlight.